Still monitoring Thayre North Subdivision and the Mary side of the Fred and Mary. Rear end flashing devices. These things trigger once a minute, so if you get a bunch of weak signals, I mean that's obviously far away, you just watch on your watch where that signal came in, and a minute later if it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger, it's a good chance there's a train coming. This is underneath 125 highway. And we're just hanging out, waiting for a train. See, that was only like one S unit. That was just a busy light. Check my squelch. Also just a busy light. This is a hint of a signal. Coming up on a minute now. I don't think we're going to see a train right now. But anyway, that's just a little bit of a good way, if you know what you're doing, to know where the trains are. And if there's any voice traffic, oh hey, check this out. Am I wrong or what? Look at this bad boy coming through here. Whoa. Just a couple of engines. Well, I tell you what happened there. That was just a couple of engines, and they didn't have the telemetry units on them, so, or no Freds, and Mary was turned off. Anyway, surprise, surprise.